अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज शीला, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। अगर आपको जीरो इंग्लिश आती है फिर भी आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं। इंग्लिश बोलने और लिखने में फर्क है। इंग्लिश लिखने के लिए आपको ग्रामर आनी चाहिए, वर्ड्स के स्पेल्स आने चाहिए जो कि टाइम टेकिंग है, जबकि इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए आपको सिर्फ बोलना आना चाहिए। करना आपको क्या है, एक सेंटेंस आपने सुना, अब आपको 3 से 4 बार बोलना है, फिर जाकर आप बोल पाएंगे। आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही इजीएस्ट 50 प्लस सेंटेंसेस लेकर आई हूं, बट मेरी एक कंडीशन है, आपको मेरे साथ बोलकर प्रैक्टिस करनी है। एक सेंटेंस फर्स्ट टाइम मैं उर्दू में बोलूंगी, देन 2 बार इंग्लिश में बोलूंगी। सो आप भी मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
ये मुश्किल है, इट्स डिफिकल्ट, इट्स डिफिकल्ट। दरवाजे पर कौन है? हु इज एट द डोर, हु इज एट द डोर। मेरी भूख मर गई। I've lost my appetite, I've lost my appetite. ये तुमने किया है, you did it, you did it. मुंह मत बनाओ, don't make faces, don't make faces. बहुत शरारती हो गए हो, you have become really naughty, you have become really naughty. शरारत करना बंद करो, stop being naughty, stop being naughty. वो क्या कर रहा था? What was he doing? What was he doing? उसने मुझसे पूछा। She asked me, she asked me. मुझे इस बारे में बात नहीं करनी है। I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to talk about it. मैं ज्यादा नहीं जानता। I don't know much, I don't know much. क्या ये बैग आपका है? Is this bag yours? Is this bag yours? नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है। No, it's not mine. No, it's not mine. ये उसका हो सकता है। It might be hers. It might be hers. उसे यहाँ ले आओ। Get that here. Get that here. कितना वक्त लग जाएगा? What time it will take? What time it will take? सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मैं ये कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I'll never forget this. I'll never forget this. क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? बेशक कर सकती हैं। Of course you can. Of course you can. कुछ अजीब सा हुआ। Something weird happened. Something weird happened. तुम ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो? How can you say that? How can you say that? सुधर जाओ। Mend your ways. Mend your ways. कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? उसकी गलती नहीं है। It's not his fault. It's not his fault. गलती तुम्हारी थी। The fault was yours. The fault was yours. हर एक को मौका मिलेगा। Everyone will get a chance. Everyone will get a chance. हर एक को मौका मिला। Everyone got a chance. Everyone got a chance. क्या तुमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया? Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor? वो सबसे खूबसूरत है। She is the most beautiful of all. She is the most beautiful of all. वो सबसे बड़ी है। She is the eldest of all. She is the eldest of all. हम जिंदा रहने के लिए खाते हैं। We eat to live. We eat to live. उसने तारीफ की। She praised. She praised. क्या तुमने ध्यान दिया? Did you notice? Did you notice? वो हमेशा झूठ बोलती है। She always tells a lie. She always tells a lie. क्या मैं आराम कर सकता हूँ? May I rest? May I rest? सारे मेहमान जा चुके हैं। All the guests have left. All the guests have left. क्या ये मुश्किल नहीं है? Isn't it tough? Isn't it tough? ये बहुत मुश्किल है। It is too tough. It is too tough. तुम थके थके लग रहे हो। You look tired. You look tired. वो अपनी बहन जैसा दिखता है। He resembles his sister. He resembles his sister. कब तक वो जा चुकी थी? She had gone by then. She had gone by then. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. ये मुझे उसने बताया। He told me this. He told me this. कोई जल्दी नहीं है। There's no hurry. There's no hurry. क्या मैं यहाँ आराम कर सकता हूँ? May I rest here? May I rest here? तुमने मेरे लिए क्या किया है? What have you done for me? What have you done for me? मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I'll never forget. I'll never forget. मुझसे गुस्सा मत हो. Don't get angry with me. Don't get angry with me. तुम्हें मेरी फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not worry about me. You need not worry about me. मैं वहां वक्त पर आ जाऊंगी. I will be there on time. I will be there on time. ध्यान से चलो. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain. It may rain. किसी को नहीं पता था. No one knew. No one knew. वो कल वापस आ जाएगा. He will return tomorrow. He will return tomorrow. वो बस अभी आया है. He has just arrived. He has just arrived. वो इससे बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है. She is not at all happy with this. She is not at all happy with this. तुम्हारी गलती थी. You were at fault. You were at fault. इसलिए तुम्हें सजा मिली. That's why you were punished. That's why you were punished. मैंने तुम्हें फोन किया था. I had called you. I had called you. तुमने मुझे फोन क्यों किया था? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? अब तुम्हें बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? Why do you feel sorry now? Why do you feel sorry now? मैं फारिग नहीं बैठूंगा. I will never sit idle. I will never sit idle. क्या तुम वक्त पर आओगे? Will you be on time? Will you be on time? वक्त पर आ जाना. Be on time. Be on time. तुम उसे कितना जानते हो? How well you know him? How well you know him? आधी रात हो चुकी है. It is midnight already. It is midnight already. मुझे मेरी किताब मिल गई. I found my book. I found my book. रात देर तक काम मत किया करो. Don't work till late at night. Don't work till late at night. वो मुझ पर हंस रहे हैं. They are laughing at me. They are laughing at me. वो एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. They study in the same school. They study in the same school. तुमने बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं किया था. You have not worked at all. You have not worked at all. मैं यहाँ रुकूंगा. I will stay here. I will stay here. मेरे यहाँ आने तक इंतजार करो. Please wait here till I come back. Please wait here till I come back. मैं अपना पर्स भूल गई. I've forgotten my purse. I've forgotten my purse. जो तुमने कहा क्या साबित कर सकते हो? Can you prove what you said? Can you prove what you said? मुझे ये बड़ा मुश्किल लगा. I found very hard. I found very hard. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did very well. You did very well. उसने मुझे दिखाया. She showed me. She showed me. मैंने उसे एक किताब दी. I gave him a book. I gave him a book. मुझे लगा कि वो जल्दी आ जाएगी. I thought that he would come early. I thought that he would come early. लेकिन वो अभी तक नहीं आया. But he hasn't come yet. But he hasn't come yet. घर तो खाली है अभी. The house is empty now. The house is empty now. सब निकल गए. Everybody has left. Everybody has left. सारी रात बारिश हुई. It rained all night. It rained all night. ये सिर्फ एक मजाक था. It was just a joke. It was just a joke. वो मदद के लिए बुला रहा है. He is calling for help. He is calling for help. ये मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रहा है. It's messing with my head. It's messing with my head. आप किसका इंतजार कर रही हैं? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? मैं आपका इंतजार कर रही थी. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगा. I thought so too. I thought so too. कुछ खाने को ले आओ. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट आई हूँ. I stand first in class. I stand first in class. किसी भी कीमत पर मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा. I'll not go there at any cost. I'll not go there at any cost. वो आने ही वाला है. He is about to come. He is about to come. ये सस्ते कपड़े हैं. These are cheap clothes. These are cheap clothes. मुझे ऊंचाई से डर लगता है. I am afraid of height. I am afraid of height. तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in your mind? What is going on in your mind?